Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to share my experience with AAA, or more like the partner that AAA uses. So what happened was a couple of days ago, one of my vehicles, the GMC 2012, it wouldn't start. It cranked, but it wouldn't start. So I called up AAA, and they scheduled me up with this towing company, and the guy came out. He was pretty on time. I give him credit for that. And when he came out, he checked the battery to make sure that it's under warranty and stuff like that. And he said it was under warranty, so he did the swap. And when he was done with everything, he handed me the clipboard and the invoice of $125. And I asked, I was stunned. I asked him, so what is if the battery is under warranty, what is the $125 charges for? And he told me that it's for the difficulty install. So I have a 2012 GMC Acadia. Um, and this is not the first time AAA come out and replace the battery. It happened about a year ago. Um, and the previous guy had no issues with this, never mentioned anything about the difficulty install. So at that time, when he handed me the clipboard, I had, everything said and done. So I had no choice but to sign him, right? So, and I paid him $125. And about maybe 45 minutes or an hour later, I received a phone call from the towing company, and I'm gonna leave the name of the company out because this is just I just don't want to bring him in. But basically, he said, "How was my experience with the towing or the service?" And I explained it to the person on the phone, and that I was frustrated, and that I didn't get what the difficulty of installing or replacing the battery. And he heard me, and he was like, "Well, let me talk to my manager and see what we can do about this." So after he said he'll call me back in 10 minutes. So 10 minutes he called me back and said he spoke to his manager, name is William, and Mr. Williams said that's according to their policy and in the system, and that's what it is. So, and I still didn't get what the difficult install fee is, or what's so difficult about it, you know. Anyway, since he told me there's nothing he can do, I said, okay, thank you very much for following up, and that was it. However, maybe 2 hours later, I received a phone call from AAA. This gentleman was really nice, and same thing. He said, "Okay, how was your service with this company, and were you happy with it?" So I explained it to him that I received $125 for a difficult install on my thing, and he was like, "Well, you know what? Go ahead and forward me the invoice, and let me review it." And about the next day, he sent me an email replying stating that after reviewing the invoice, and I guess the whole thing with the other towing company, he said there was a system error, and that they will be AAA will be sending me a check for $125, and he apologized for any inconvenience. So I don't know. So has this ever happened to any of you guys? Because when I post the invoice on the social media, and a lot of people was like, "That's crazy. What is so difficult about the install?" I mean, it's not something out of the moon. But again, I don't know if it's because of the battery was under warranty, and somehow they still need to make some kind of fee out of it. I would say maybe $30, $40, maybe I get it, but from $125. So that's that's one of the comments that I get a lot from the social media. It's just because you got to free batteries, they got to somehow make some money off of you. Therefore, they're just gonna slap it on like difficult to install. Yeah. So, did this ever happen to any of you guys? If so, what was it? Or am I the only one who received this, or have you received it before too? And what is the outcome? I really want to hear about this, guys. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Be safe. Take care. Till next time.